Hey, what's up QVC? I'm Dorion Renaud, the CEO and founder of Buttah Skincare, and today I am going to be washing my face with you guys using my new skin transforming kit. We dropped a kit about 1.5 years ago, but this one right here is special because you can customize your moisturizer now. I know a lot of different people have different types of skin, so the facial shea butter might not work for some people, but the cocoa shea might work for some people. My cocoa shea is my new moisturizing product, and I want you guys to see how well this here helps us glow. All right, so the first step in washing my face, and sometimes I do this in the morning, sometimes I do it in the evening, sometimes I do it in both. You can put it on your hand like so, but what I really like to do is lather it up on my butter brush that will be out very soon. See, put about this much. I'm one of those people that really likes to put a lot of soap on things so that I can get that really like good deep clean. And right now these brushes are great because a lot of people don't really like to put a lot of products on their hand and then put it on their face. I'm actually gonna put more. Not that you need more, you know, you just need like a pea size per se. But after a long day, if I'm working out, I really like to get that good clean, and I put it all over my face actually, even on my lips, because it's great for exfoliating. The cleanser has a little bit of an exfoliant in it, but it's gentle for everyday use, which is why I really love it. And it also has lavender in it. Even for the guys that have like a beard, you know, you got an ingrown hair, you got something this brush is really good for. Ladies, if you want to take your makeup off, I am pretty sure that this brush will help. It has like 2 different speeds, so you can go fast or you can go slow. So I'm gonna rinse my face off. Then you wanna pat dry. You know what? I think I'm gonna pat dry with my other towel, which is my Buttah embroidered towel that are coming in our new VIP kits coming out soon. And so I really love the texture of the towel. I don't like to like wipe my face down. I'm more of like a patter so that it can still be smooth. So next that comes up, or the next product in the kit, which is like my magic in a bottle. This stuff is amazing. Trust me, you guys. You guys at QVC are going to love this. It is my vitamin C serum, okay? So I like to take quite a bit. I'm kind of greedy when it comes to skincare. Put it in the palm of my hand, like so. And you guys will notice it's like the same color as my hand. It's like a very light color. And one of the problems that I had with vitamin C's in the past were they were too yellow, and so they would make my skin yellow. Ours is a very good, consistent color. It's not too heavy so that it can go perfect for any skin type. So I like to really get that vitamin C in there so it can nourish and hydrate my skin and get my skin glowing and going. And I usually like to let this sit for about a minute or so on my face before I put the moisturizer on. But as you can see, it gives you guys a really nice glow. And a lot of people like to just wear the vitamin C out, which you can do. I recommend doing it in the morning. And on to the next step, which is our facial shea butter. Now, this is what came in our first kit. It's great. It's a little bit more of a thick consistency, so those people that are out on the East Coast dealing with some harsh weather, or depending on what time of year it is, that's really good. I love to use it year round. I don't use much. A little bit goes a long way, and it gives you like a nice overall glow. So now that Vitamin C has been sitting in my skin for a minute, I am going to introduce you guys to my new baby, my Cocoa Shea Revitalizing Moisturizer Cream. It is so amazing. It's light, it has a lot of vitamins, but it packs a big punch and gives you a really good glow. So I like to just take a dab on my hand, put a little bit in the middle of my palm, and get to going and glowing. Going and glowing. All right. As you guys can see, from the beginning I was a little bit dull, and now it's just a nice overall glow. So QVC, I want to thank you guys for washing your face with me, or hanging out per se in this quarantine, as I wash mine with my new Buttah 3-piece skincare kit. It transforms your skin, you'll love it, and I'll see you guys next time.